Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity. I am so glad you are here, and I want to take a moment to tell you exactly what this channel is all about. I will also share what you can expect, and why it might just become your new favorite place on YouTube. Here is the truth. Crafting does not have to be complicated. It does not have to be time-consuming, expensive, or stressful. It can actually be fun, relaxing, and even profitable when done the right way. That is the heart of this channel, showing you that anyone can craft, anywhere, with what you already have around you. On this channel, you will find quick and easy projects that anyone can do. Even if you think you are not crafty, you can follow along. You do not need expensive tools. You do not need years of experience. And you do not need to spend hours figuring things out on your own. Instead, you will get step-by-step tutorials that are simple, straightforward, and easy to follow. Every 2 days, you will find a fresh new video uploaded right here. Each one is packed with inspiration and practical ideas. That means every time you come back, there will always be something new waiting for you. Now let me give you a quick preview of the types of crafts you will see here. Wood home decor projects. These are simple woodworking ideas that turn scrap or leftover pieces of wood into beautiful decorations. From rustic farmhouse shelves to modern wall art, you will learn how to create pieces that look like they came from a high-end store. Even if you have never worked with wood before, I will show you easy techniques to get started. The best part is that many of these projects can be made with basic tools, or even with scraps you might already have lying around. Epoxy resin crafts. If you love color, shine, and that glossy finish, resin projects are for you. We will make resin coasters, trays, jewelry, and unique accent pieces that add character to any space. Resin can look intimidating at first, but I will walk you through each step so you can master it without stress. Whether you are making a gift, a decoration for your own home, or a piece to sell, epoxy resin projects always turn out eye-catching. Upcycling and recycling hacks. This is where we turn everyday items into something new. For example, glass jars into lanterns, cardboard into organizers, or tin cans into stylish planters. These projects are fun, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly. Upcycling is not only about saving money, it is also about giving a second life to materials that would otherwise go to waste. And trust me, once you try it, you will start looking at old items in a whole new way. Seasonal and holiday crafts. From cozy fall projects to sparkling holiday decor to bright summer ideas, these are perfect for sprucing up your space or gifting to loved ones. Seasonal projects are always fun because they give you a chance to refresh your home with every season. You will learn how to make decorations that are affordable, unique, and perfect for creating that festive feeling. DIY gift ideas. Everyone loves a thoughtful handmade gift. You will see how to create quick projects that you can personalize for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Handmade gifts always feel more meaningful, and they do not have to take a lot of time or money. I will show you ideas that are simple to make but look like they came from a boutique. Crafts for all ages. We will include fun activities you can do with kids, as well as relaxing projects for adults who want to unwind and get creative. Crafting can be a family activity, a stress reliever, or even just a way to spend a quiet afternoon. No matter your age or skill level, there will always be something here for you. Now, you may be wondering, what makes Craft Catalog different from other DIY channels? The answer is simple. Our projects are designed to be fast, fun, and practical. We do not overwhelm you with complicated techniques or expensive supplies. We focus on simple ideas that anyone can try. Each tutorial is broken down step by step, so you can follow along with confidence, even if you are a complete beginner. And here is something else. Many of these projects can actually help you earn extra money. Whether it is selling wooden coasters at a craft fair, listing handmade decor on Etsy, or offering unique gifts locally, these ideas are not just fun, they can also become profitable. If you have ever thought about starting a side hustle with your creativity, this channel will give you the inspiration and knowledge you need to take that first step. But this is not just about me showing you how to make things. This is about building a creative community. I want this channel to be a place where you feel comfortable sharing your own ideas. Leave your suggestions in the comments. Tell us what projects you would like to see next. And share your results when you try any of the tutorials. Creativity is always better when it is shared. Together, we can grow as makers. And who knows, maybe your idea will inspire the next video here. The more we share and support each other, the more fun this journey becomes. Craft Catalog is more than a channel. It is a place to connect with others who love creativity just as much as you do. Another thing you will notice about Craft Catalog is variety. I believe crafting should always feel fresh and exciting. That is why you will see a wide mix of projects, from woodworking, to painting, to resin, to simple hacks you can do in minutes. Some projects will be decorative, others will be practical, and many will be both. This variety means there is always something new to spark your imagination. And let's be honest, life can get busy. Sometimes you want a quick project you can finish in an evening. Other times you might want to dive into something a little more detailed. That is why our tutorials are designed to fit into your life. Whether you have 10 minutes or an entire afternoon, you will find a project that works for you. So if you are looking for a channel that makes crafting simple, exciting, and something you can look forward to every day, then you are in the right place. By subscribing, you are not just joining a channel. You are joining a growing community of people who love creating, sharing, and learning. And with new videos every 2 days, there will always be fresh ideas to keep your creativity flowing. So go ahead. Hit the subscribe button now, turn on the notification bell, and join the Craft Catalog family. Let us make crafting something that is not just a hobby, but also a fun, relaxing, and rewarding part of your everyday life. Welcome again to Craft Catalog, where every project is simple, exciting, and always fun.